Have you ever wondered about the Minoan Civilization, an intriguing culture that vanished mysteriously around 1450 BCE? Let's embark on an exciting journey to unravel the mysteries of this ancient civilization. Our journey begins around 3000 BCE on the sun-drenched island of Crete. It was here that the early seeds of the Minoan civilization were sown, marking the dawn of the Bronze Age in Europe. The Minoans, as they would later be called, were named after the legendary King Minos, a figure shrouded in myth and legend. According to the tales, King Minos was a mighty ruler, known for his wisdom and fairness. But the civilization that bore his name was so much more than just the legacy of one man. The Minoans were pioneers, innovators, and artists. They were among the first to harness the power of the sea, becoming skilled seafarers and traders. Their trading networks spanned across the Mediterranean, connecting different cultures and facilitating the exchange of ideas and goods. Their artistic prowess was equally remarkable. The stunning frescoes that adorned their palaces and villas were a testament to their creativity and sophistication. Their vibrant depictions of nature, humans, and deities still captivate our imagination, offering a glimpse into their perception of the world. But the Minoans were not just artists and traders, they were also architects and engineers. The palaces they built were marvels of engineering, featuring advanced drainage systems, light wells, and even what appears to be a form of central heating. Despite these significant achievements, the Minoans remain an enigma. Their language, Linear A, remains undeciphered, adding to the mystery that surrounds this civilization. And then around 1450 BCE, they vanished, leaving behind a wealth of artifacts, but no clear indication as to what led to their demise. Thus, the stage was set for a civilization that would leave an indelible mark on history, only to disappear without a trace. The Minoans, at their zenith, were known for their vibrant culture and remarkable advancements. But what made them so exceptional? Let's start with their thriving economy. The Minoans were primarily a seafaring civilization, their maritime prowess leading to flourishing trade with other civilizations around the Mediterranean. This economic prosperity allowed them to invest in significant architectural endeavors. Their architecture was remarkable, to say the least. They constructed multi-story palaces, complete with intricate plumbing systems that would put even some modern designs to shame. These grand structures, like the famous Palace of Knossos, were not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional, demonstrating the Minoans' high regard for both form and function. Their artistic sensibilities were equally striking. Minoan art, characterized by vibrant frescoes and intricate pottery, depicted a love for nature and a world teeming with life. Dolphins, octopuses, and beautifully stylized human figures danced across their artwork, embodying the joyous spirit of the Minoan culture. As for their writing systems, the Minoans used two scripts, Linear A and Linear B. Linear B was later deciphered and found to be an early form of Greek. Linear A, however, remains a mystery that has confounded scholars for decades. This undeciphered script adds another layer of intrigue to an already enigmatic civilization. Despite their remarkable advancements, the Minoans were a peaceful society, as evidenced by their noticeable lack of fortifications. Their cities and palaces lacked the defensive walls typical of other civilizations of the era. This suggests that the Minoans lived in a time of relative peace, or they were so confident in their naval power that they saw no need for such defenses. In their prime, the Minoans were a beacon of culture and sophistication, but their end was as dramatic as their rise. So what happened to this advanced civilization that led to its abrupt disappearance? This is the question that has left historians and archaeologists scratching their heads for centuries. The Minoan civilization, once a vibrant and flourishing society, came to a mysterious end, leaving behind a trail of questions and theories. One of the most popular theories revolves around a massive volcanic eruption. The eruption of Thera, now known as Santorini, is believed to have been one of the most colossal in human history. The sheer magnitude of this event could have triggered tsunamis, devastating the Minoan coastal settlements. The subsequent fallout, a thick cloud of volcanic ash, would have blotted out the sun, leading to crop failure and famine. Then there's the invasion theory. Some scholars propose that the Mycenaeans, a civilization from mainland Greece, invaded and conquered the Minoans. However, this theory is contentious as there's evidence of cultural blending rather than outright conquest. Another theory points to internal conflict. It suggested that societal unrest, perhaps due to a disparity in wealth or power, led to the Minoans' downfall. This theory, like the others, is not without its critics, as evidence of such conflict is sparse. Each of these theories offers a plausible explanation, yet none of them can be definitively proven. The volcanic eruption, although devastating, didn't necessarily wipe out the Minoans immediately. The evidence of Mycenaean influence doesn't conclusively point to an invasion, and the signs of internal conflict are not enough to confirm a societal breakdown. In the end, the downfall of the Minoans remains shrouded in mystery. Despite the advances in technology and archaeological research, we're still left guessing. What we do know is that the Minoan Civilization, a society that once stood at the forefront of Bronze Age culture, vanished without a trace. The Minoan Civilization thus disappeared, leaving behind a mystery that has puzzled historians for centuries. Lost in the sands of time, the Minoan Civilization was rediscovered in the early 20th century, but how? The answer is a tale of intrigue and dogged determination centered around one man, Arthur Evans. A British archaeologist with a fascination for antiquity, Evans was drawn to the Mediterranean by tales of a forgotten civilization. It was on the island of Crete where he would make his most enduring discovery. Evans began excavations at the site of Knossos in the early 1900s. What he unearthed was nothing short of astonishing. The Palace of Knossos, a sprawling complex of interlocking rooms and courtyards, revealed a civilization of extraordinary sophistication and refinement. The Minoans, as Evans named them, had been a powerful and influential force in the ancient world, their culture echoing through the ages. But the work of Evans was not without controversy. His extensive restoration of the palace was seen by some as a distortion of the archaeological record, an imposition of his own vision onto the remnants of the past. Yet despite this, there's no denying the impact of his work. The palace at Knossos stands as a testament to the Minoans, their achievements now visible for all to see. Evans's discoveries didn't just reshape our understanding of the ancient world, they also left an indelible mark on modern culture. Minoan art and architecture have influenced a range of creative fields, from fashion to film. Their mysterious script, Linear A, still undeciphered, continues to captivate linguists and code breakers alike. The rediscovery of the Minoans has provided us a glimpse into a civilization that was ahead of its time. Their legacy, though shrouded in mystery, continues to inspire and captivate. It's a testament to the enduring power of the past, a reminder that even the forgotten can be brought back into the light. And in the end, isn't that what archaeology is all about? Rediscovering, reinterpreting, and remembering the stories that time has tried to erase. Today, the Minoan civilization serves as a fascinating enigma that continues to captivate us. The island of Crete, once the cradle of this ancient civilization, is still very much alive with the echoes of its past. As we delve deeper into the earth, unearthing layer upon layer of history, the Minoan world comes alive yet remains shrouded in mystery. The ongoing excavations on the island are a testament to our undying curiosity. Archaeologists, like detectives of time, persistently probe the ancient soil, seeking answers to the many unanswered questions that the Minoan civilization left behind. Each finding, each artifact serves as a piece of an unsolved puzzle that tantalizes and challenges us. One of the most intriguing enigmas is the Minoan language. Known as Linear A, it remains undeciphered. What secrets does it hold? What stories could it tell us? The inability to crack this code adds to the allure of the Minoan civilization, making it even more enigmatic. Their religion, too, is a source of fascination. From frescoes depicting snake goddesses to bull-leaping rituals, the Minoan religion seems to be inextricably tied to nature and animals. But what were the beliefs that governed their lives? What gods did they worship and why? These are questions that continue to intrigue us. Perhaps the biggest mystery of all is their sudden downfall. A civilization that was so advanced, so sophisticated, simply vanished. Was it a natural disaster, an invasion, or internal conflict? Theories abound, but the truth remains elusive. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Minoan civilization, we are reminded of the transient nature of human cultures and the enduring power of human curiosity. Our quest for understanding is a journey that transcends time, connecting us to our ancestors and revealing the tapestry of human history in all its complexity and beauty.